Hello everyone, it is Susan here from Susan Hiles Art, and today we are working on the second week of the hashtag Cornucopia of Recipes open collaboration. If you would like to join in, you certainly can at any point in time. Just let myself or Sheree know. So I am co-hosting this with Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming, and her link is below, as well as everybody that is participating. Please check them all out. So this open collaboration for the month of November also includes a giveaway, and I'll talk about that more. But it's not weekly prompts. The prompts for the whole month are to work on any projects you would like, use something related to recipes or food, and add a thankful themed word, quote, scripture verse, something like that, and post your videos on Fridays. So what I decided to do was I took out, because I'm almost done with this journal. So this is I call it my cloth covered journal. It's a junk journal. I forget what the actual cover is made of. I don't know. I don't remember if it was, I don't think it was a cereal box, but it was a piece of junk. So I'm going to work on this page. So I had already glued this cluster down, and I'm going to work on the journal card to put inside of here. So what I do know I want to do now, in my typical style, as I do stuff in my craft room, I end up like with all these things that I think might work on here and blah, blah, blah. And then I end up with this big pile of stuff. So it gets interesting. So let's see. I do have these 4x6 journaling cards from Creative Memories. And this one I don't think is Creative Memories though, but these are. But what I decided to do was use this one, and I liked this side of it. I can also use the back of it to write on. And but I'm going to use this to actually do my prompts on. So because I thought it looked pretty, right? I think that looks pretty in there. So we're going to work on this. Let me put the book to the side for a minute. So I took out some fabrics, and I thought it would be nice to try to piece some fabrics on here. I'm going to turn my little iron on because I do want to iron these pieces. So I have some fabrics. I have a stamp. I have a little piece of tissue paper. Tim Holtz, I believe. I definitely want to add a doily onto the page in the book. I have some stickers from Caitlin Plans. I thought that they would look pretty on here. I want to use a couple pictures, I think, from this Longaberger catalog. This is a really old catalog. Are they even still around? I don't know. But this is from 1996. Yeah, I have a lot of Pampered Chef stuff too from 1996. That's old. That's old. But anyways, I want to cut out a couple pictures from here. But I think my iron is ready. I'm just going to iron real quick. And I also have these from way back when. And I like to pull pictures from these. These are from the Reynolds oven bags. So I have those. I'm telling you, I have a lot of stuff, right? I have those. I have another piece of fabric that I thought would look good. Wait, let me just iron these really quickly. And let me talk about the giveaway part of it. So when you comment on my hashtag cornucopia of recipe videos, you get a point towards the giveaway. The giveaway will be drawn on December 2nd, and I'm giving away a $25 electronic gift card, and Sheree is as well. So every time you comment, right, one time per my Friday videos, right? So the comment has to be on my hashtag cornucopia of recipe videos, and you comment once every Friday, you're going to get a point, an entry for every Friday. So, you know, definitely keep commenting, and every Friday when you comment on my videos, I will add an entry onto my spreadsheet. The way I'm going to do to select a winner is I have a spreadsheet. Every time somebody gets an entry, I'm adding it onto that Excel spreadsheet, and then for me to choose the winner, I'm going to use random.org. That's where you put, you know, the number 1 to whatever, however many entries I have at that point, and then it picks a number randomly, and that will be my winner. So that's how I'm selecting a winner. I don't know how Sheree is going to do it, but so you would have to get points for Sheree on Sheree's channel. You will have to comment on her videos. So for the commenting on videos, you have to, you know, comment on mine and comment on hers. And like, I don't look at her comments, so I don't know who's commenting over there. So it really has nothing to do with my part of the giveaway. I will be tracking only the comments on my videos. You can also post in community about the hashtag cornucopia of recipes, and you can do a video response, and you will get an entry for those. So that is a one-time thing. Well, you know what? So I'm going to say that, you know, I would be willing to give an entry for video responses or posts on your community tab on your YouTube channel, even once a week. That's fine. But the thing is I don't know. Even, you know, you have to use the hashtag cornucopia of recipes. But the thing is that I don't know that you did it unless you tell me. So how you know if you got entries for your video response or your sharing on community is because I will comment. If you have done either of those and I haven't commented on them, let me know, and I'll go and I'll see what you did, and I'll add your entries. So that's how you know that you're getting, and I actually say it in my comment that, you know, I will add your entry to my list. So that's how you know. If you don't see a comment from me, that means I didn't see your video response or your comment on on your community tab. So I just wanted to remind everybody of that. And so definitely, you know, play along with us, and you can still join in on the collaboration. All right, so that's that. I was thinking of putting this over here because next week I'm going to go back to working on my little trifold for documenting Thanksgiving, but I don't have anything to document this week. But next Friday I'll be able to document about Thanksgiving because it'll be after Thanksgiving. I think I'm going to put that down because I like that. I think that that looks pretty. So I don't know that I can put this piece down or that piece, but I really, you know what, I like this piece better because that color on there kind of resembles the baskets. I mean, I could do something like that. I don't think I'm going to use those. I do have this and this. I'm not doing any edging or anything like that. I just want to get some stuff down, some layered stuff. I do think that this would look pretty on here, but I don't think that there's really a spot for it. I kind of like that. Now, these flowers, are they the right color? You know what? I really am, I'm really liking this. I like this a lot, but I need to get something on here about being thankful. And I actually have a scripture verse, Psalm 107, verse 1. I think I'll write that on the other side, and that will be my verse, my thankful verse. So this I need to get down, and it's thin enough and light enough that I can just use some glue stick. So that's good. This piece right here, I think I'm going to put some wet adhesive on it. And then this is good. I have very few pages left of my, in that cloth covered journal that I have to finish. I've been working on it all year. So it's been many months. I mean, it does sit there sometimes for a month without me touching it. But, and then I start working on it a lot. And then, yeah, you know how it is. But gosh, I'm getting close. I'm getting close. You know what? This is not going to stick on the fabric. So let me kind of do this. It sticks on this fabric, okay, but not this underneath fabric. So let's put some extra adhesive down. All right, so I think that that looks pretty. I do want to put the stamp on here. It is an 8-cent stamp, so it's an oldie, but I thought that that would look good on here. Just another layer. And I mean, I think that that makes a pretty front of a journal card. Why is this not sticking? Come on, cooperate. There we go. On the back of it, so I guess it goes, does it matter how it goes? I guess it goes this way. I'm going to write that psalm down. Let me get to it. So Psalm 107, 1. Let me grab a pen, and I'm going to write Psalm 107, verse 1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. So nice and short and easy. For he is good. All right, so I like that. And yes, the Lord is awesomeness. He takes care of us. That is for sure. That is a lot to be thankful for. I'm going to put, I think, a couple stickers here so I can use some of these. I love these stickers, so it feels good to use a few of them. There's these little dots. I like those. And put one up there. So I think that that looks good. Easy peasy. The last thing I want to do is this. So I think that this looks really good in here. I like it. I like it a lot. But I thought it would be pretty to have a doily in the background. That looks good, right? You know what? Let me zoom back out. So I like the doily on there. And you know, doilies are sometimes something that I hoard because I just love them. And this one is a probably tea-dyed doily. And I'm just going to put some adhesive here in the middle of it. And it's going to stay fine. I like the fact that the edges of this are loose and kind of stick up. So I like that. And easy peasy. So that is my entry for today for the hashtag cornucopia of recipes. And I have, there's food stuff in here, so that takes care of the food requirement. And I have my thankful. You know what? I wonder if I could put, let me see something. I think I could put even more food on the back. I'm going to go ahead and grab, no, I'm going to grab this because I like the red. Let's see. I'm going to cut it smaller. And I'm going to cut, I think, around the bread so we keep the bread. Okay. So this will help with my food requirement. Oh, I like that. That looks cute. I like it. So let's go ahead and put this on here and then I'm done. So please go ahead and check out Sheree's channel as well as everybody else's. Like I said, all of the links are below. If you would like to participate, you certainly can. Just let us know and go ahead and comment. Comment on my video and get an entry on for my giveaway, and go ahead and comment on Sheree's video and get an entry on hers as well, her giveaway, because we're each giving away a $25 electronic gift card. I'm thinking craft related. Like, I don't do Amazon, so it won't be Amazon, I can tell you that. But anything else is really okay. Except I would like to maybe stick to either like Michael's or scrapbook.com or Cherry on Top, that kind of thing. But you know, it's all good. It's all good. We'll figure it out, whoever the winner is. All right, so that is it. That is it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And now I have another page done. All right, so thank you so much for being here, and I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed weekend. All right, bye-bye, everybody.